Hiyo election ambayo ilitendeka, ambaye mimi nimechaguliwa kama majority leader, na tulipata signature wanaazimio 17, na hiyo ndio ilianzisha kumtoa former majority leader katika usukani.
My lawyers and the court servers have also shared my stay order from judicial political party tribunal order while we were away, and the speaker, in collaboration with few members, presided over an illegal and procedural and removal of all Azimio leadership. As you see, it's clear in the law that when a political party or a leader is removed from the office, there need to be a communication from office of the whip, inviting members.
Yes, and they should fail. He has to vacate. And you are witness that he is. There's a procedure to follow.
Ciĩgiĩ ũteti wa kaunti ya Garissa, na tũgĩtigana na icio tũkĩrongoreria ciĩgiĩ gũthara arĩa magomeirwo nĩ ndũgũ, na nĩ atĩ gĩkundi kĩa mbere kĩa anake anini na arĩa marakĩrĩ mũbango-inĩ wa kana mũbango-inĩ na ũrĩa ũragĩterebwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ mũtumia wa mũnini wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri nĩ Pastor Dorcas, nĩ maikoretwo makĩamũkĩra maratathi mao ma wagĩrĩru. Anake acio arĩa nĩ 89 makoretwo rungu rwa mũtaratara ũcio kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 3 mwena wa Timau kaunti ya Meru oro ndũmwe na Donholm gũkũ kaunti ya Nairobi, kĩarĩ igongona-inĩ rĩa gũtuga anake aya na maratathi ma ũkinyanĩru mũciĩ-inĩ gwake mwena wa Karen. Pastor Dorcas nĩ eranĩire gũtambia mũtaratara ũyũ kaunti-inĩ ciothe 47 gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Pastor Dorcas Rigathi.
My office has a record of more than 2,000 individuals who wish to undergo rehabilitation. Our approach to rehabilitation takes various forms, encompassing the ongoing inpatient rehabilitation at Rimuru, the wellness camp at the ASK showground, where we have 85 who are already going through that, and other rehabilitation centers. There is also the ongoing outpatient and community-based rehabilitation programs in Kiambu, in Bomet, and Mombasa counties. This only seemed to be in a location where we decided to do a pilot. So they are from Nairobi and Mount Kenya. And some of those ones who are in Mount Kenya, you can ask, you'll find that they will stand. Some are from Kisumu. Ni kweli? Yeah, so we are not doing in one area, but there must be, every journey starts with one step. And we had to start some.
So, graduates, first, I thank you also, I congratulate you for mlivumilia within sana sana sana. And tuliwaambia mtasikia hivi na hivi na hivi, but kuna wengine wasikia they were feeling like they can jump over the fence. But mlivumilia yote, and that's why today you are here to do what? To celebrate.
And when I saw those young men come here and sing, and then I saw their image, how they looked like when they were going for the rehab, and how they are today, I can see the hand of God.
When you rose to speak, all our faces were filled with hope, because you promised us full support, and true, we have witnessed. We finally arrived at Timau Holy Innocent Spaces Center, and within the first week of stay, so many things happened. We came to realize that we were powerless and our lives had become unmanageable.
Mama Dorcas! Mama Dorcas!
Kamĩtĩ ya wandĩkani wa arimũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩyo TSC nĩ magĩkoretwo kana nĩ mokĩrĩirwo na njĩra nene igũrũ rĩa wandĩkani wa arimũ, na kũrĩa makana mekũĩrwo gũkorwo magĩtabania wandĩkani wa arimũ na njĩra ya mũthutũkanio. Nĩ kũringana na ambunge a gĩcigo kĩa ithũĩro rĩa bũrũri na arĩa marĩtie marĩ cukuru-inĩ wa secondary wa Ciboti gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Bumula gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Bungoma, na kũrĩa maugĩte atĩ nĩ gũkoretwo na ũnyihu wa arimũ mwena ũyũ kana gĩtarũ-inĩ gĩkĩ kĩa ithũĩro rĩa bũrũri.
to St. Kizito Mayanja position.
Our CP stands at brief about Sir.
If your plan is for 10 years, you can try eucalyptus trees. But if your plan is for a century, you must invest in education. Nimefurahia sana siku ya leo. Ile kazi stakeholders wote wa education hapa Bumula tumekutana just to reflect where we are coming from and to plan where we want to go.
Kuna kaunti mbili hapa Kenya ina walimu zaidi than the required number. Is that fairness? Kakamega iko na shortage ya walimu 10,000. Yet Waluhya, watu wa Western region, they produce 32.4% of teachers in the national economy. Kwa nini sisi tukue na shortage?
Na tunajua the last regime ilikuwa unfair kwa sisi kutoka kwa hii region in terms of promotion. Tunataka tuone ya kwamba tukitoa walimu wengi pia promotion inakuwa commensurate with the number of teachers we are producing.
Hii area yetu hii mkoa ya magharibi yetu ya zamani hatuna walimu ya kutosha. Kwa miaka mingi tumekuwa tuko chini. I want to tell you and I want to encourage you that Mheshimiwa Wetangula halali na viongozi wengine wote hawalali, because tuko kwa serikali, we are beginning to address those injustices one by one.
Kama wazazi wa Bumula tutilie mkazo. Unfortunately, report inaonyesha Bungoma tuko namba 3 katika Kenya kwa watoto wasichana wadogo kupata mimba. Bungoma ni Kilifi na Narok na Bungoma.
Macukuru igana rimwe ria 36 kuma mbere ya Mohoro guku ni county ya Embu, na maria mari maturaine maria mahatirikite na njira nene ni ngaragu ni magitanyitwo ko makigunika na mubango wa irio kuma kuri kambuni ya uthondeki wa thitima guku bururi-ini ya Kenje. Na kiaria hindi ya rugurio wa tabarira ino cukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Macanga, afitha wa maundu megie muingi kambuni-ini ino ya Kenje nwikaine ta Grace Chepkuoni agitete matacukiti kinya riri kurumirira ngaragu nene gukorwo ikihatika muingi oro ndumwe na gukorwo igithararia mathomo mwena uyu.
My name is Grace Chepkuoni, Community Relations Manager for Kengen. We are here today because we are distributing food to schools. As a company, we are in the business of generating electricity for national development. But while doing that, we'd also like to make an impact among the communities in which we operate. We use corporate social responsibility to make a difference in these communities.
No, it's a good gesture. So once again, we feel we are part of the community, and that's why we are having this occasion. And I'm happy our local leaders, they are with us to support us.
Focus areas are education, environment, and water. As a company, we realize that in the recent past, we've had the country has experienced prolonged dry periods, and some communities have suffered due to lack of food, and school children have been specifically affected.
Leo hii katika eneo hii ya Mavuria tumeleta chakula hapa Mashanga, na hashwa hata kwa jamii mzima huwa tunawapelekea chakula, na hiyo ni kwa sababu ya hiyo hali inasababishwa na ukame. Na ukame kwa wakati huu nafikiri kila moja anaelewa haikuweza kutuacha sisi tupate chakula ya kutosha.
The time we got some bag of beans, we were actually, these children were very, very, very happy when they received that. And the same thing, when they have seen that lorry bringing food to them, they were also very, very happy. So, Harassment Officer, if we can be in that program, whereby we can be getting food, where other schools are getting permanently, the better.
Titus Ngoshi Mwaneki, Mimi ndio chairman wa wazazi kwenye hili shule. You know, taifa letu la Kenya tumekuwa na janga la njaa. Actually kumekuwa na upungufu wa mvua. We had some absence in this school. Kuna watoto maybe hawakupata sapa, wanakosa kuhudhuria shule. So this time round vile tumepata ile chakula, we are very much sure that our pupils and students wa JSS wataweza kuhudhuria vizuri. Thank you.
Gane na icio ciegie uheani wa irio macukuru-ini na tukihioke nginya kaunti-ini ya Kakamega na ni ati aciari a cukuru wa muthingi wa Lugara guku ni gicigo bunge gia Sinyaru kaunti-ini ya Kakamega ni makitungitwo ni kimakoroci-ini rwa umuthi na ni thutha wa cukuru uyu wa Lugara gwikorwo ukigomerwo ni mwaki na gukwa na gutiga indo cia makiri ma mbeca cia nangitwo kuringana na aciari aya maugite ati matigitwo matari na wiki kana ungikuona indo nyingi cia bata cukuru-ini uyu ni iraikorirwo igithukangio ni mwaki uyu na mwaki uyu ukirikanite ndukiri urakimenyekana kihumo kiaguo na uguo riu magaikia ritana kuri thirikari kumateithiriria gucokereria mathomo kuona ati ona igerio cia kibururi ikirie kwambiriria.
Nimeshangaa kuamka asubuhi leo, watoto wanaenda shule, naona watoto wanarudishwa nyumbani na ndio ofisi imeungua. Kwa hivyo mimi nashangaa, kuna wale ambao walikuwa wanasoma huko, certificate ziko huko, sio watapata zingine namna gani? Serikali sasa kama wanaweza pata certificate zingine. Kwa hivyo ni mshtuko, kwa sababu hasa watoto wamerudi nyumbani, sio watoto watasoma namna gani? Walikuwa wameanza kukalia mtihani wa kilazima.
Nimeshangaa sana kuamkia asubuhi ya leo. Tumekuta ya kuwa shule yetu ya Lugala imechomeka, na sisi kama wazazi tulikuwa tumepeana chakula ya watoto, hata certificate za watoto zilikuwa huko, certificate zingine zitapatikana kivipi?
Mimi nimeshangaa sana kabisa, sijaiona kitu kama hiyo tangu mimi nizaliwa, sababu hata mimi mwenyewe nilisoma Lugala, sijaiona kitu kama hiyo, na hiyo kitendo haitendeka. Lakini kwa leo nimeshangaa.
Hivyo tunaomba serikali itusaidie angalau certificate za watoto wetu zipatikane, pia watoto wetu warudi shuleni kwa sababu wamerejeshwa nyumbani.
Yote vitabu, vitu za watoto wa nursery kukalia, vizoto, kila kitu imeungua kwa hiyo ofisi. Paka hata lunch ilikuwa tumeahidiwa na mbunge, tumepata ya kwamba imeungua hapo ndani. Tumeshangaa.
Riboti yo kuma ya Kakamega ni iragituika mweke ningi twiko tugiikiria oro hanini ngai kuririkania githi na mbere na kwaraniria nani kugerera nenda citu cia ukinyaniria gwa Facebook ni @muthingi TV ungikihũthĩra namba ya WhatsApp ni 0794442544 waikia ndumiriri yaku ho ni twikorwo tukiaraniria njetekeria ngigikorwo ngigiikiria oro hanini ugathia ri mitambo ni amu ndiragicokereria na mangi maingi.
Right. Asante sana maridadi.
दोनों डंडे का जोर दिखा.
Ala, na this time rounda mambo yameweza kuchamuka hapa ndani ya Murugi TV. Mwanzo this time rounda action movies, Kihindi, series zote papa kwa hapa live in director ndani mwa Murugi TV ni kila siku ya Monday.
It's a wasteland.
Tuesday.
And now I am the man who's going to break your family.
Wednesday. Na kila siku ya Thursday papa kwa hapa live in director nikikuletea zile movie brand new na ambazo dogo brother mpenzi mtazamaji utaweza kupenda. Make data, keep the timer, ni kila siku mwendo wa sana nyakati za usiku Monday to Thursday papa kwa hapa ndani ya Murugi TV na ukikosa baba na kuambia utakosa makuu.
Nako kaguru karime gatihana kari muhu nake mumagari niyo nagira
tutaga wira wa kwendia hema negeka na ngonia kene wira wa ndiaga na goko na
nitutamburaga kio gitu na thabari itu miethere-ini
akai kunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV
nikio nitugicemanagia o kiumia tabarira-ini ya mwihang'iri turi na mwihang'iri witu agitutirithia thabari yake kinya hau akinyite
yandiko ni muthuri wiho andikitwo gibanda ki hare rugongo
ni oguku ceceni-ini ya Muthingi TV na nie Mwangi wa Murugi.
Muturire-ini uyu ni gutongana na andu mithemba yothe, anini, akuru, akeni na amwe maihoretwo ni ihoru. No haria yothe gutire utari karugano gake ka gikeno, kieha kana matina mundu anakiruka.
Ta mwana ni ndatwikire so embarrassed na hau ni ndakorirwe no tho mwingi muno towards my mom.
Ndakimenya ngoma nake tikihi. Ndakimenya nake ngoma tikihi.
Nikio nie Njeri wa Mwangi tukite na tabarira ya rugano rwaku kagia na kamweke ga gutwira maria wanagerera na githomo kiria wathomire kuri macio mothe ni o Juma thaa 2 cia hwaini guku kwa Muthingi TV kihumo gia gutherema.
Cokereria Ngai kunyita ugeni oro ringi twiko tugithie na mbere na maria tugikuhariririe guku metha-ini ya Muthingi TV Gikunjuro kia Mohoro na ni ati thutha wa miaka makiria ma 25 thutha wa thariko ya bomu nyumba-ini ya ubaruthi wa Amerika guku mucini wa Nairobi gutabanio ni ito icio wikinae cia Al-Qaeda agurario a thariko ino no mathiete na mbere gukaya kumana na kwaga kurihwo marihi ma hathara yao makiaria mari kaunti-ini ya Machakos magitongorio ni senator wa county ino Agnes Kavidu ne maugite ati ni hinda thirikari ya bururi wa Amerika gukorwo ikihika na gukorwo ikimakinyaniria marihi maya kuona ati aingi ni maikoretwo makihatiririka na njira nene.
The victims of terrorism deserve to be compensated, 1 for loss of lives, 2 for injuries that were caused, 3 for loss of opportunities. I can tell you that from the testimonies we have had since this committee started its work, we have seen children who dropped out of school because their parents died, and so that was their source of livelihood. And
this battle was not Kenyan battle. Al-Qaeda was not fighting Kenya. Al-Qaeda was fighting America, and we took their bullets. And that is why I'm saying every time, they must walk the talk. They are defenders of human rights. And these are humans who are demanding and seeking for their rights.
Blastly happened na tuligongwa sisi wote tukapelekwa kona moja. Watu wengi walikimbia wakaangalia kwa kioo, lakini mimi sikukimbia. Nilisikia ile tu kitu ilikuwa inafanya nisikie niko na huzuni nisiende kazini. Nikaniambia toka kwa hii nyumba haraka sana.
Kati tulikuwa na mama yangu, tulikuwa kwa basi, no wonder sasa nakaa hivyo uso. Nilikatakatwa na hizo glasses na niko na bado glasses zingine ziko kwa kichwa na hii side moja ya left ikaisha nguvu, lakini nashukuru Mungu juu ninatembea na miguu zangu na hiyo ni miracle.
You've seen this little girl here. crying. Yesterday she cried until we cried, all of us, because she still lives with some glasses in her head, which has never been operated to be removed, and she doesn't even know her fate, what will happen tomorrow.
Tugitigane na icio ciegie itharika ria wikina ria mwaka wa 1998 tukirongoria riboti ingĩ nĩ atĩ mũndũrũme ũmwe wa mĩaka 41 aramũkĩra ũrigiti thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Nyahururu na nĩ thutha wake gũkorwo akĩgurario nĩ maabitha a ũrangĩri wa mĩtitũ nĩo KWS SSN-inĩ ya South Marmanet gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Laikipia. Ngero ĩno ĩrĩkanĩte kũhanĩka itũũra-inĩ rĩa Sirare na kũrĩa andũ a nyũmba a mũthuri ũyũ magĩka kana magĩũkĩrĩire maabitha aya borithi kana ũrangĩri wa mĩtitũ nĩ ikitacukia rĩrĩ na kũrĩa maugĩte atĩ kana makĩhoete thirikari gũkorwo ĩkĩingĩrĩra na kũheana kĩhoto kĩa mũndũrũme ũyũ.
Kwa majina naitwa Fred Riuba, na kumekuwa around mwendo wa saa 5 hivi nimetoka tu kwa shamba. Dakika hiyo kutoka kwa shamba kuna mahali huwa nakuja kunywa chai kwa kibanda kidogo ya mama. Sasa mimi nikiwa pale kwa chai ya mama nimekaa nimesubiri, wakati nimetoka shamba tu si lazima nikae kidogo ni relax, nimelala tu napumzika. Kipumzika hivi nimeona maaskari wamekuja tu na gari kasimamisha hapo na kunichukua juu kunichapa nini kila kitu vita, kila mtu ananichapa hapo.
Maritwa njĩtagwo Joyce Karema, ndĩ mũikari wa Nyahururu, na Fredi ariraga ngano itũ handũ hetagwo Sirare, tukamwandĩka kũrira, na ndĩ mũciĩ nĩ ndahũrĩrwo thimũ nderwo nĩ ahũrwo mũno nĩ thigari tũke tũmũrore. Ithuĩ tweciria kũingĩra forest office headquarter, twĩ hau bara-inĩ nĩ tuona ngari ĩkiuma cruiser ina thigari ta 10, twerana no tuwe mũrehe, twacoka twerana nganiwe twaciria tũmĩkinyĩre nginya Nyahururu police station. No nĩ ndaria na Fredi tondũ thaa ici nĩ aigua anjĩra kũu tũkuonaga akĩrutwo ekwambĩte kũhũrĩrwo harĩa anyitĩirwo mũkawa-inĩ akĩnyua cai, acoka arehwo gũkũ headquarter ahũrĩrwo kuo haro yuma njũru biũ, koguo mekũmũhũraga ta kũmũraga mamũnine, nĩguo arehwo ha police station, arehwo police station nĩguo aregwo borithi tondũ gwatuĩka ndangĩoyo kũu.
Jina naitwa Tyson Diuba, mimi ni mkaaji wa Nyahururu. Nimesikia kitendo ambacho ndugu yangu amefanyiwa na nikakasirika sana, nikashikwa na ghadhabu. Tungependa kufuatilia serikali itueleze nini maaskari wa forest tunaulizana na hao.
Kĩũria ingĩenda kũria angĩkorwo ahĩtĩtie mahĩtia karĩkũ kana kũrĩ nĩ watho wa kũhũra mũndũ waumire kũ, gũtirĩ nĩ mũnine. Koguo thigari ici nĩ ihĩtĩtie na gũkua kwanza mũndũ gũthi ũkamũhũrĩra handũ mũkawa, ũkamũruta mũkawa ũgathiĩ ũkamũhũrĩra wabici kwanyu.
Rĩu tũgĩcokereria na riboti kuma kũrĩ iharo-inĩ na nĩ atĩ timu ya mũbira wa magũrũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ mwena wa arũme nĩyo Harambee Stars nĩ makĩhũndũkĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kuma bũrũri-inĩ wa Qatar na nĩ thutha wa mbĩtĩka ya kĩũratana kũrĩa timu ya bũrũri ũyũ wa Kenya yagĩkorirwo ĩkĩhotereria timu ĩno ya Qatar na bao 2-1. Timu ĩno ĩgĩtanyĩtwo gũkorwo ĩgĩthiĩ na mbere na meharĩria mao mbere ya mbĩtĩka ĩngĩ ya kĩũratana iria magĩtanyĩtwo magĩthaka na timu kuma bũrũri wa Sudan ya Mohoro.
Jisikia vizuri, ilikuwa ni ushindi nzuri dhidi ya Qatar. Mechi ilikuwa ni nzuri, Wakenya tulicheza poa Ni game ilikuwa haikuwa rahisi kwa sababu tulikuwa tunacheza ugenini, lakini wachezaji wote walijituma. Pia tunashukuru pia benchi letu la ufundi pia walikuwa na mawaidha nzuri, na Wakenya pia wale wote walijitokeza kwa idadi mkubwa pale Qatar wakatushabikia, na ilikuwa ni mechi moja nzuri, na tunahopa tunaweza endelea kucheza mechi dhidi ya wapinzani kama hawa na tuweze kuendelea kuperform vizuri. Ukiangalia vizuri tumemfunga bingwa Asia, na inaonyesha kuwa tuko na timu nzuri na vijana wanaendelea kujituma. Tuko na wachezaji wengi wapya kwenye timu, na pia tuko na wachezaji wale wadogo pia wenye wanakuja vizuri kwa timu. So ni kuendelea kucheza mechi za kirafiki nyingi so that tunaweza kuprepare vizuri so that tukikuja World Cup qualifiers in November then tutakuwa tuko ready.
I don't know how it feels for the Kenyans. I know how it feels for the Kenyans in Qatar. I'm happy that they get proud, that they get self-confident, because I know how it is to live as foreign in another country. So now they have something which may change their lives there, because they can now go out really with real proud. So about the game, we played well. What we have done very well is that we changed also how we play from behind, how we open the game, how we change the sides. So Qatar had nearly no chance to really press against us. We break all pressing what they have done. We will see. Every match has its own story. Important for me how the team is developing, how the players react to what we are doing in training, how they adapt. So like I said, the players are in a good way, they try their best, and we will see what will the future bring.
Icokereria riu ria imwana cia Engine Filate niyo yagitwikira gaturumo ka maria twiko tugikomathira na tugicokaniria guku metha-ini ya Muthingi TV ari Gikunjuro kia Mohoro njitikirie gikorwo gitambura ndumiriri cigana ona ciawe wakinjira uragitwirorera kugerera mutambo witu wa Facebook Ndugutoti Francis Jagenda kuona gakiugo uragitwirorera kuma gwako gumacho ndakuona ngatho cia mwanya mundu Ndugutoti Mwangi Pius Mwangi Sipweke gakiugo gikuithirie jesi yothe ya Kakuzi Mitubili ward hau niho ndagicikinyia tona cio nĩ nyingĩ ngaĩkwĩra atĩ agĩthiĩ na mbere na kwĩrorera tabarĩra cia Muthingi TV nĩamu nayo tabarĩra ya metameta cia mathako mũndũ gwĩtũti wa Mbui wa Njaũ agĩthagathagĩte oro wega kũndũ gagĩkorwo ũgĩthiora mĩtambo gĩikarĩro haha nĩamu gũkũ nokuo kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema niĩ gĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Murugi.